All right, so it's Monday night after work, and Dio and I went for a little ride down to Ludington and on a shopping trip. So I've kind of been on and off looking for a top for the back of Spike to use for overlanding, right? So I can put the rooftop tent on it and store stuff. And this guy had the perfect one. It's got a tool bin in the driver's side. The passenger side's open to the inside, and then the back end of it has got a big door. The whole thing swings up to act as like an awning, so you don't have anything extra hanging off of it. And yeah, can't beat it. $100. So we're in fifth gear on the expressway, 75-mile-an-hour speed limit. I got my foot buried in the carpet. And according to the GPS, that's all we're getting out of her on flat ground. So, yeah, 35 stock gears in the four-banger. A little bit extra wind resistance from that topper sticking up an inch or two. That's all she'll have. So, yeah, I didn't want to do too much videoing in the guy's driveway, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked on this thing. It's not in too bad a shape. It's got a couple bumps and bruises, which is perfect because then I won't feel guilty when I bump and bruise it some more in the woods. But yeah, so on this side, this is kind of dark here. I'm gonna grab a flashlight, but on this side, obviously it opens up. You got full access to your bed. It's lockable. The locks all work. He gave me the keys. It's pretty awesome. And then in the back, I got to lube that latch up, but the back, now you got an awning to stand under. So that's pretty awesome. Should work out really well. Hopefully we can set up a little bit of like a roll-out kitchen and fridge. My, how things have changed in a short amount of time. So I'm back at the gas station at 37, and I don't even remember what this other road is, but same gas station where I took a picture of my dad standing next to this truck when it was on the trailer and there was sod packed in the grill and stuff. And here we are on a trip back from Ludington with our new topper and a lift and 35s and a winch bumper, and the old truck ain't serving me too bad.